So our process for blood cleanup is similar to all of our biohazard cleanup. First thing we do, we come in and evaluate the scene. We meet with the team that's there as a group and figure out what our plan of action will be. Then we set up zones. So we have a cold, warm, and a hot zone. The warm zone is the one where we'll put down plastic, all of our equipment goes in there, and then the hot zone would be the area of concern itself. So when we clean out a blood job, it really, again, depends on how the blood got there. Was it because of a stab wound? So then we try and focus more on maybe the wall and down, or was it a gunshot? So now we have to look walls, floors, up onto the ceilings. So the process to clean up blood, it really just depends on, again, what type of traumatic situation happened.